Huwag natin kakalimutan na moving on is not just about ourselves. It is also about the people around us. Tama naman that we have to love ourselves. Tama naman yon. Pero huwag natin kakalimutan na para mahalin natin yung sarili natin, we have to do things that would make ourselves happy. But if the people around us, like yung mga anak natin, ay malungkot dahil sa ginagawa nating pagsa-self-destruct, eventually, tayo din mismo, magiging unhappy tayo. And that is not self-love. Just because you were cheated on does not mean that you are a miserable person. The pain that you got from being cheated on is very powerful kung gagamitin mo lang ito sa tamang paraan. That curse of being cheated on, you can turn it into a blessing instead of something that will pull you down to that misery na hinahayaan mo yung sarili mo to dwell on. Believe me, there is no better way than turning your pain into power to move on gracefully. And holding on to your faith that no matter what, you will surpass this. Sabi nga nila, mindset lang. Tama naman yon. If you dwell on all the negativity and believe in the people around you who are planting negative thoughts in your brain, then you will manifest that kind of mindset. In the same way, if you do the other way around, kung pipiliin mo yung mindset na positibo at gumagawa ng paraan para tanggapin na nangyari na yung mga bagay na yon at meron kang ibang magagawa para matulungan yung sarili mo to keep on moving forward and away from all those negativity, then you will manifest that kind of positivity in your mind. Huwag mong hayaan na maging curse yung panloloko sa'yo ng asawa mo. Let it be a blessing that will change your life positively. Kaya mo yung magawa. That is not impossible. Huwag mong hahayaan na mag-self-destruct ka dahil iniisip mo na kasalanan mo yung mga bagay na yon. Tama naman na tanggapin natin na may mga pagkukulang tayo. Pero para sisihin natin yung mga sarili natin sa mga kasalanang hindi naman natin ginawa is another story. It is something that would only deprive us from moving on. Mas maganda na piliin mo to do things that would empower you. Palitan mo yung mindset mo and turn your pain to power. Turn all those anger into power. It is valid na masaktan tayo. It is valid na umiyak tayo at magalit tayo. But there is always a way for us to get out of that misery. And that is by starting to help ourselves, making that first brave step away from all those negativity. Mag-iingat tayo sa mga advices na iti-take natin kasi hindi lahat tama yon, hindi lahat makakatulong at hindi lahat galing sa mga tao na concerned sa atin. Kuminsan yung iba, pinoprovoke lang nila tayo to do things na para sa kanila tama pero actually it's not right for our situation. Yes, I understand, mahirap mag-move on. Pero mas mahirap kung yung naka-move on na silang lahat at tayo, hindi pa tayo nakaka-move on.